Hi, I'm Wong, Training Engagement Manager here at Sync Energy, and welcome to the EV Charger training series. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step installation of the Sync Energy EV Charger, focusing on the bracket system, cable routing, terminations, and the electrical testing before commissioning. Before starting with any work, always ensure the power supply is safely isolated. Installation begins with positioning the bracket. It's worth bearing in mind the top of the charger will sit approximately 65mm above the top of the bracket once fully assembled. Use the bracket supplied with the charger to mark out the fixing points and the overall position of the charger on the wall. Make sure the bracket is level whilst marking up. You'll also notice a curved cutout at the bottom centre of the bracket. This indicates the position for reverse entry cable routing if required. Once you're happy with the position, drill the fixing points and secure the bracket to the wall using suitable fixings for the surface you're mounting to. We recommend using flat-headed screws to avoid any protrusion that could prevent the backplate sitting flush. Before moving on, double-check the orientation of the bracket. The clips must be positioned at the bottom facing outwards. At this stage, you'll decide how you're routing the incoming supply cable. There are two options, bottom entry or rear entry. In this installation, we are using bottom entry accompanied by D-Line's safety EV cable fixing pack. But it's worth understanding how the process differs if you're using rear entry. For bottom entry, the process is straightforward. With the bracket fixed to the wall, push the backplate onto the bracket. You'll hear an audible click once it locks into position. Now, drill out the lower knockout point in the backplate, ready for the incoming supply cable. If you're using rear entry, the order slightly changes. Before fixing the bracket to the wall, it's best to drill the rear entry cable hole first. This avoids any risk of damaging the bracket during drilling. Once the rear entry hole is prepared, drill the bracket fixing points, pull the incoming supply cable through the wall, and secure the bracket to the wall. Next, drill out the rear entry knockout point on the backplate. Prepare the blind grommet by making a small incision for the cable. Fit it into the backplate, and then slide the backplate onto the cable via the rear entry before pushing it onto the bracket. This approach keeps the process clean and avoids any unnecessary strain on the cable or bracket. With the backplate mounted, you can now terminate the incoming supply. Prepare the cable by stripping approximately 18 to 20mm of insulation from the live, neutral and earth conductors. Using the lever-operated terminal block, lift the lever, insert the conductor, and close the lever to secure the connection. Once terminated, secure the incoming cable using the cord grip and screws provided. If dynamic load balancing is required, terminate the CT clamp wiring into the fixed terminal block marked CT1 at the top of the backplate. Fit the CT clamp around the property's incoming live tail before it splits, ensuring correct orientation. K towards the supply and L towards the load. Once all wiring is complete, fitting the cover is simple. Align the cover and plug it directly into the backplate. There's no additional wiring to complete. Secure the cover using the anti-tamper screws provided. With the cover secured, restore the power supply. At this stage, you'll see a red light on the charger. This is completely normal and indicates the charger is in anti-tamper mode. Before commissioning, carry out your electrical tests. To test the RCD, press the button on the front of the charger once. To enable network setup mode, press the button 3 times. If you need more time, simply re-engage network setup mode with another 3 presses. Once testing is complete, fit the fascia to the front of the charger and secure using the fixing screw provided. Fitting the fascia clears anti-tamper mode and prepares the charger for commissioning. At this point, the physical installation is complete and the charger is ready to be commissioned using the Sync Energy app. We'll cover that process step by step in the next video. For full documentation, updates and additional resources, make sure you're registered via the Sync Energy installer portal. If you're finding these videos useful, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for future updates. And don't forget to share your latest install using #SyncInstall for a chance to enter our monthly prize draw and see the latest installer promotions. Let us know in the comments what cable entry method do you tend to use most and why. Join me in the next video where we'll walk through commissioning and handover of the Sync Energy EV charger using the Sync Energy app. Thanks for watching and join us in the next video.